I'm super excited. This is going to be awesome.
We're just going to stand right here.
See you brought your friends too. Hello. Welcome everyone, and thank you all for making your journey here today. Now I know that all of this here, it might not look like much for all of you, but for us, this here is everything. Now you could look around the room and just see a bunch of old junk, but let me be clear, some of this is new junk too. I see that you've met everyone. Excellent. You can all call me Kembe. And we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. And as the Gatherers, it is our job to search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find out there in the galaxy we bring here. So, where a wandering stormtrooper would look around and only see worthless clutter, those who know, they see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may be the only way for all of us to ensure our future. Now, do all of you know the legend of Luke Skywalker? Yes? Very good. Well, we hear that there's another. That there is a new Jedi forging her own path in the galaxy. What's her name? Rey. That's right. And what Rey is leading is the spark of hope that we have all been waiting for. And that's where all of you come in, to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by our greatest of heroes and darkest of enemies. It is elegant. It is enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The lightsaber is a reflection of its builder, with the Force flowing between them. And today, all of you are going to feel that connection. So, let's get started. And we begin with perhaps the most important component of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. The crystal is able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say that the crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal will determine the color of the blade. Colors like blue. The blue kyber crystal has been wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal. This one is rare and beautiful, just like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red. Exactly right. Red is said to be the color of power. This one has been wielded by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. You have selected your own kyber crystal. All of you will now build your own unique lightsaber. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. And now, let's build! big step back from your stations. It's now time to stabilize the crystals for activation. As you can see, the gatherers are now taking your uniquely constructed hills, and they are carefully placing them into the crystal stabilization chamber. This part can be a bit tricky, but as long as everything is stable.
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are growing. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. In just a moment, all of you will step forward. You will place your hand on your hilt, and on my signal, we will all activate together. Builders, it is time to forge that bond. Step forward. Place your hand on your hilt, and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have all built your lightsabers, like the Jedi and Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, deactivate your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but find your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Now, in your hands, all of you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, as you depart, the gatherers will present to you a saber sheath to protect your lightsaber. Now, our time here has come to an end. With all of your journeys, they are just beginning. It is time to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember that you are all as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have built here today. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Still aspire.
Still the spire.